Okay, well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I'm going to have to go with a vlog format because I start school on Wednesday, and I've decided since it's Monday that I'm going to forget everything I have to do for school and everything I have to do for my summer job, and I'm taking my son camping. So, you're getting a vlog this week. In the meantime, what I wanted to share with you is all the things I didn't get changed for this year. My goal was to have all of my LMS stuff that's lined up very linearly. And I wanted to move that LMS and make an access door for every class, for every chapter, so that on my online plan book, all I have to do is give the students one document, and then they can link to whatever piece they need from that one document, a one-stop shop. So that was my goal. It didn't happen. Now, I do have chapter 1 done, so there is that. So let's take a look at that right now. If I take a look at chapter 1, let's pull this up. What I did was I went to Google Drawing, and I just grabbed various graphics and labeled each graphic. So here's a graphic, here's a graphic, here's a graphic, here's a graphic. And you'll notice when I hit the graphics, I have a little link that pops up, because all it is I hit the graphic, then I go up to the insert link, and I apply whatever link it is from my learning management system. So I just went to my Canvas, that's what I use, and I grabbed the link off of Canvas for whatever topic or whatever group that I was looking for, and grab that link, put it in there to go with the graphic. So in this case, I did pre-calculus. I think I pulled pre-calculus up for you. And so I just went to my first module, or my first group of modules, and I went and grabbed, here we go, set notation, that's review topics, but that's the idea. And I simply grab the save link or copy link address. Go over here, plug it in, hit apply, and now it's good to go. Now the problem is there's still a lot of things the students could mess up on this document because it's kind of raw. So what I did was I simply downloaded as a PDF. So here we go. And there is chapter 1 for my entire class, a one-stop shop. So that much I did get done. I didn't get all of it done for the whole year like I really wanted. But since when did any teacher ever get enough done that they felt that they really got everything they wanted for the year? So in this case, all I have to do if I want to go to continuity part 2, student hits the graphic, boom, they're taken right to the module that has all the stuff that I've already put together. This is that concept that I use that I call DIBs, digital interactive building blocks, okay? So digital instruction or digital interactive building blocks. So you have DIBs, and I'm going to put that in a little more formal version of a blog a little bit later, when I get time. So, but in the meantime, students now, I can put this one link up in the plan book for it and set it for 2 weeks, whatever it happens to be, and this is it. Now you'll notice this is still very linear because I'm going to ease students in, and once the students are used to the linear idea of how this is arranged, then I can begin moving pieces around and set them up around circles and go non-linear, as I've shown in a couple other blog posts that I've done. So let's totally undo those changes so they don't mess that up. But that's the idea of something I wanted to get done, but I didn't. I also have a whole professional development thing with required videos for the state that still kind of needs done before I go back to work, or maybe it'll be done the first week I go back. But it's like everything else in teaching. We have the greatest of intentions, and there's some really good ideas, but everything takes time. And so just because you don't get the whole apple all at once doesn't mean you shouldn't start taking a bite. So thank you very much for joining me for this week's little vlog, and hope to join you on the discussion on Wednesday.